Hey guys, welcome to the Spark fundraiser. To join the meeting, it's really simple. You just want to click this little join now button. And when you're ready to make a donation, you can use this donate here button. So I'm going to go ahead and show you by clicking the join now button. And I have downloaded the Zoom app, so I'm going to open it in my Zoom app. If I did not download the app, I don't have to. I can just do it through the web. So choose what you'd like to do. I'm going to go ahead and open it in my app. And it'll say, please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. Okay, it looks like we just got admitted. Great. So I am muted right now, and I can choose to unmute myself, and I can choose to start my video. So once my video is started, now I'm going to want to check out my breakout room. So I am in the large room with all the other participants at this time. I'm going to click on the breakout room button and I'm going to find the host. So Lee Johnson invited me. So I'm going to go ahead and run my cursor right over that 0. There's the join button, and that's going to let me join Lee Johnson. So I'm going to go ahead and join that group. Now, if I am in the group, it'll say that I'm joining, and then I should also see that I'm in a breakout room now. So there we go. I'm in my breakout room. If I choose to leave, I can leave the meeting entirely, or I can go out of the breakout room and back in to the main room. Once I'm back in the main room, that's where I'll be seeing the main presentation, but I can also visit with some other friends. So I haven't seen Dennis in a while, so I could join Dennis's room and bop in there and chat with some of his guests in that particular room. If you have any questions, feel free to use the chat feature. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Down here, there's the chat feature. If I am chatting here, I'm only chatting to my group. However, if I decide to leave the room, and of course I don't want to leave the meeting, I'm just going back into the main room. So I'm back in the main session now. And as I get in the main session, I can also chat with everyone, or I can choose to chat with particular people that are in the room. Right now, I'm here all by myself, so the only person I can chat with is myself. But as time goes on, we'll be able to chat with more people. So that's it. Thanks so much, and have a great time.